Titan. Wow, another great pickup car. F-150 Raptor. Guys. Wow. Look at the beauty. Wow, wow, guys. Another great pickup truck. The all new Kia Tasman, guys. Wow, look at that beauty. Nice. Wet. Wow. Beautiful, guys. Wow, guys. Another great ultra luxury pickup car. Ford F-150 Raptor. Wow. Look at the beauty, guys. Wow. Another great pickup car, guys. The Toyota Tundra, new 2026 model, with a nice tree behind it. Wow, another great pickup car. This time a gorgeous orange color. Wow. Amazing, guys. This is the Isuzu D-Mix V-Cross Edition. Wow, guys, another beautiful pickup truck. Wow. I don't know what kind of pickup truck is that, but it looks nice. Inside, another great pickup truck. Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, gorgeous blue color, guys. Wow. Wow, guys, over there on the other side, Cummins, another great pickup truck or pickup car. The Ram. Beautiful, guys. Nice F-150 luxury pickup, guys. Wow, another luxury pickup truck, guys. Four-wheel wide track. Nice. Driving by beautiful ladies. Amazing. Wow, another beautiful ultra luxury pickup car, Charlotte, Colorado. High country, guys. Wow, there on the other side is a nice Charlotte, Colorado luxury pickup car, guys. 4x4. Wow, guys, another beautiful pickup truck. Ford Ranger Raptor, gorgeous blue colors. Wow. Nice. Wow, an ultra luxury pickup truck. Ford F-150 Raptor, guys. Amazing. Another two great classics Ford pickup truck. Ford Ranger, another one, Ford Ranger. It's the predecessor. Nice one. Another beautiful pickup, guys. Toyota Hilux Premium Edition. Beautiful. Wow, another beautiful gorgeous color. Ford Ranger Raptor V6 2026 model, guys. And it sounds really, really amazing. Wow, another great luxury pickup. Mazda BT50 4x4. Gorgeous black colors. Really another great pickup. Ford Ranger Wild Track, the old model, the old classic predecessor Nissan Frontier, guys. Nice. Sounds cool. Another great luxury pickup. Ford Ranger Raptor V6. Two exhaust pipes. Sound amazing. Followed by the Ranger Wild Track. Another beautiful luxury pickup car. Toyota Hilux Rebel. Gorgeous silver color. Nice. Beautiful. Over here an old classic pickup car, Toyota Tacoma. Nice. Another beautiful pickup truck. Ford Ranger Raptor. Nice. And over there the Mitsubishi Triton. Fully loaded. Another great pickup, Toyota Tacoma, TRD Sport. Wow, amazing! Another beautiful pickup truck or pickup car, guys. Nice. Wow, another beautiful, nice pickup car. Ford Ranger Wild Truck. Bi-turbo. And over here another great pickup. It's a D-Mix 4x4. Beautiful. Wow, another great pickup over there on the other side. Mazda BT50 Pro. 2026 model, guys. Mazda pickup car. Wow, another great pickup truck, guys. Nissan Navara for the beauty. Nice. Wow, guys, over there another side is another great pickup truck. Pickup the new Mazda BT50 Pro. BT50 Pro. Wow, over there another great pickup truck, pickup car, gorgeous white, orange Raptor. Beautiful. Wow, another great pickup for F-150, guys. Platinum edition. Another great pickup truck is coming, guys. The Ford Ranger Wild Truck. Ford Ranger Raptor. Sorry, guys. Nice. Sounds like a V6 to me. Another great pickup truck, guys. Pickup car. Ford Ranger Wild Truck. Gorgeous black colors with gray wheels. Another beautiful pickup truck over there, guys. The Mitsubishi Triton. Nice. Wow, over there on the other side is another great wild luxury pickup car. Another Ford Ranger Wild Truck with just white color. Nice. The Ford Ranger Wild Truck is really popular in the world. Wow, another great pickup truck, guys, or pickup car. I like Railroad Rally. Got a beauty. Nice. Amazing. Oh yeah, another great pickup truck. Ford Ranger XLT, guys. Nice. Another great pickup for Ranger Wild Truck. Gorgeous orange color. Beautiful. Wow, another side, another great pickup. Luxury pickup car for Ranger Wild Truck. Wow, guys, over there another great pickup car. GMC. Another great wild luxury pickup truck, Ranger Raptor. Wow, guys, over there another great wild luxury pickup truck or pickup car, great for Ranger Raptor. Beautiful guys. Yeah guys, we're on the other side. This is another great wild luxury pickup car for Ranger Wild Track. Look at that beauty guys. Over there another luxury pickup car, Mitsubishi Triton. Wow. Beautiful. Another great pickup car guys. The Toyota Tundra. Wait for it guys, wait for it. Wow guys, over there on the other side another great pickup car for Ranger Ranger Raptor. Wow, another great pickup car. This is for Ranger Wild Track. Beautiful. Wow, another great pickup car guys. The Mitsubishi Triton. New model. Beautiful 4x4. This incredible spot so far. Wow guys, another two great pickup car for Ranger, followed by the Toyota Hilux, fully modified guys, with the carry boy options. Wow guys, another great pickup truck for Ranger Raptor V6. Wow guys, another great pickup car, the Toyota Hilux Rally. Nice. Beautiful color. And over here another great pickup car, Mazda. And over here another great pickup for Ranger Raptor guys. And followed by the Toyota Tacoma, another great pickup car. Wow. And followed by the Ranger Wild Track. And followed by the Toyota Tundra. Beautiful guys. Yeah guys, over here not one but two wild luxury pickup car for Ranger XLT, followed by the Hilux Rally. Nice. Beautiful guys. That is the best for on-road and off-road car guys. And over there is a Ford Ranger Raptor. Nice. Yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. Please drop a like, comment down below what kind of car, ultra luxury car you like in this video. And I will see you guys in the next video guys. Another great pickup truck. Thank you and peace out. Love you all.